Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is going to be a short video just to show you how you can harvest and store peppermint for your hair growth journey, just to make tea rinse for your scalp and your hair, just to stimulate that hair growth throughout winter time. That way you will never run out. Okay, so let me show you the garden, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like the video for more to come. So okay, here I have my peppermint plant or mint. um, it's a very good for hair growth. So when I need in the summer, I just come and break a few branches off and use it. But winter is coming and it's gonna be gone. So what we do, I just come here and break them and use scissors or my hand to break them into smaller pieces, clean it up if there are bugs, because we don't spray our garden, so there are some little bugs, caterpillars and stuff like that, so we want to clean it up. Let me come and show you. I use these good scissors just to snap them off, and now I have this pile and I'm gonna just put it in this basket, and every time there is sun, I'm gonna put it outside for it to dry. Like we did this one a few days ago and it's already drying. Okay, and we can harvest it with the seeds and everything. Just remove any weed and bugs that's on there, and then you'll be good. Whenever you need, you'll just be able to use it. So I'm gonna store it neatly in this basket. Okay, just like that, and it will dry away. And once it's dry, you can even put it in the oven to dry as well. You put the oven on really low, maybe 150, and it will dry. It will not burn or toast or anything. So, or you can just dry it naturally like that. And every time you need to make hair rinse, you just take a few or a bunch, and then you boil it or boil water and pour over it, and that way you can stimulate good hair growth. Okay, so that's all I have for you for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.